Okay, right now this is icon SSH to access point, and right now the access point can ping the controller. The controller is 192.168.8.10. So what I need to do now is I need to configure my access point and point it to the controller. So the username is super, the password is sp-admin, and I also need to log into my controller. The username is admin, the password is metrodata.1. And in here, when my access point already registered to the controller, it will show in here in staging zone. The MAC address, the AP name, and everything will show in here. So what I need to do now is I change the IP address of the controller in the access point. So I need to set 192.168.8.10, and this here is 192.168.8.10 also. Okay, save settings. And in here, I will reboot now. Okay, right now what I need to do is here the MAC address and the AP name and the IP address is detected on the controller. So I think the access point is already connected to the controller. And I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.